Good morning, everybody. Today I am working on figuring out how to record a video and create an assignment on Canvas. So here we go. So I'm going to click on my Canvas button. Now I'm going to click on my course. And from my course, I'm going to go to assignments. There, I'm going to go to the orange button. I'm going to make a new assignment. Now I need to name my assignment. So the assignment name is going to be NC Wise Owl Research. All right. So now I'm just going to type in the directions, or I am actually going to try to make a video. So I'm looking at what I want to see, and I'm struggling just like any of you so that I can make this happen. So I'm working on it with you so that I can have fun and learn just like you, okay? Then, let's see. No, I don't want to add the video from my libraries. I actually want to create a video. So I'm going to see if I can do this again. I'm going to be record. We're going to do a screen capture. Let's see how this goes. I think it seems really good right now. I'm really excited. As you can see, it says loading screen capture. Okie dokie. And then it says step 1, download and install application to continue. Relaunch the screen to capture from the record menu. All right, I'm going to move this little guy up here and see what I need to do. So open source note, let's do the download. So far so good. It's downloading on the left corner here. Moving my mouse on it. So I'm pretty excited about that so far. Now if you're using another computer, you're probably going to have to download this again if you're using different computers. So I'm using my desktop in the library right now, and if I'm doing this with my laptop at home, I'm probably going to have to download this again, and that's okay. So I pushed to open, and now I'm going to run it, and I'm going to install anyone using this computer. That's fine with me. And as you can see, it's downloading the screen recorder launcher. So here is the cool part. If you want to use this, remember, if you're going to use something to record your screen, oh, my screen recorder is ready. So let's say we want to just record something on the screen. Maybe you're going to use some kind of document camera or something. Maybe that would be perfect, right? Record and upload media. So we're going to go to record the media. We're going to allow it. See how it's doing? It's asking me, so I have to allow that to use and there it is. So it sees me right there. Okay. Let's go to webcam. We're going to click this over, and then we're going to, yep, that says there. And as you can see, it's recording me. I mean, it's recording my voice, everything. All right. I don't know what's going to happen, so I'm going to try it anyway. Hi, everybody. I just want to offer you some helpful advice today on how to upload a video. And so I'm trying this. And so what I want you to do today is go to ncwiseowl.org. I'm going to ncwiseowl.org. If you're at home, you need a password. Please write this down. WiseOwl19. If it does not like WiseOwl19, use WiseOwl20, which is WiseOwl20. That will be your password, and it will let you in at home. It's really a safe place for us to use the process of doing research and finding information without it being full of commercials and advertisements. So That's what we get for being North Carolina school teachers and children. I hope that helps you, and I hope this helps me too. So let's finish this. I'm going to title it here down here on the bottom. I hope this is helping. I'm going to say creating a video on Canvas / NC Wise Owl. Save. And there it is. Pretty neat, right? So now we are going to go. I just moved my cursor by pushing enter. And now I'm going to say, here are the directions to go on ncwiseowl.org. Password wiseowl 19 or wiseowl 20. See you in class. So go down here, and I have 100 points on this assignment. It's going to be assignment group. All people will get this assignment. The points, it's just based on points. So if you do half of the work that we request of you on this, that's what will happen. Okay, so now the submission will be online. Then they will be allowed one attempt right now. You can always send it back to them if it needs to be done. This is not a group assignment this time. It is not for peer review. It is assigned to everyone. So the due date, I'm making that due date right now. And then I'm going to click on, let's see, I have this class. So we're going to make it the 25th this time. It'll be due in 2 weeks, for me at least. It will be available from, and this is the cool thing I like a lot. So we're going to pick, it'll be available on the 11th, and then it will go until 25th. Then we're going to click done, and then we're going to push, let's see what add does. So it's going to add it to every student I have. So that's fine. I don't need to do any more than that. Assign to everyone, so we're good. So now I'm going to save it. If I want to just publish it immediately, I can do that right now by pushing save and publish. But right now I don't want to publish it for my students because I don't want them to see it yet. This allows me to put it in advance so that you can see what you've done and review it before you publish it to all the students, and they get an email from you that says, oh, Mr. Fields gave me another assignment. I'm overwhelmed. Or, oh, yay, Mr. Fields gave me an assignment. I get to do something fun. So you get the idea. We're going to push save. That's all I want to do right now. And now here is my icon with my video that I made for them about NC Wise Owl and how to do it. From here, I can create a rubric. Pretty neat, right? So I want NC Wise Owl rubric. Right? Pretty good, right? Now, or so be it, right? Not so bad. Or let's go to find a rubric and see what they have to say. Let's go to manage rubrics. All right, let's go there. And there's no rubrics for me to use that way. So I'm going to back it up, and I'm going to add a rubric again. And this time it says description range. Okay, so we're going to add that. We're going to go, let's see. It says, I'll write free-form comments when assessing students. Remove points from rubric. Don't post outcome results to the gradebook. Use rubric and assignment grading. Yes, we're going to do that for sure, aren't we? Okay, so that works out great, right? So I want to add some more criterion. So we're going to do, actually what we're going to do is edit that, and then you see how that worked? We get description of criterion. We're going to say 10 facts about your topic. So that's pretty good, right? So now I just want a description about what I want them to do. Give 10 facts about your topic. That's cool right now, right? So we're going to do update. Now we're going to make this actually a 10-point scale on this one. 10. So, right? We're going pretty good, aren't we? All right, so update. Now we're going to do criterion. We're going to add a new criterion. This time we're going to do details about your topic. Describe your 10 facts with at least 2 sentences a piece. I'm going to go in and I'm going to correct that. Now, 2 sentences a piece, that's pretty good, right? That's going to be the top level. So we're going to create that criterion. We're going to go back in here. And now we are going to range this. This is going to be the harder job of this project, right? So we are going to give a max. We have 10 topics. So we're going to make this actually out of 100. Let's make this job right here 50. No, let's make it bigger. Let's make it 80% of the job. Okay? So please describe all of your facts in detail. Pretty good, right? So now I just need 10 more points to make my 100-point scale. So we're going to do it one more time. We're going to create a new criterion. Now the description will be this time spelling is accurate. So all spelling and is correct, and I'm just going to leave it just like that. So we're going to create that. I'm going to edit by clicking on that little thing, and we're going to make that 10 points. We're going to update the rating. Now I have 100 points, which is what the assignment is. Now we're going to create the rubric, and there it is. Pretty good, right? So now we have the assignment plus the rubric. Pretty great. Now let's say you look at your rubric and you're not happy. So you can go in and hit the edit button. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy. I'm not going to update it right now. So we have everything we need. It's a 100-point rubric. The assignment's 100 points. It's perfect, right? Works out wonderfully. Helps the children understand what they're doing. And now they have their assignments. So let's go back so you can see what you created. So I'm doing NC Wise Owl research right there. But let's go backward. I want to actually do something a little bit better for my students so that they can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to move my little guy over here, and we're going to scroll down a little bit so I can get to assignments, but I'm going to have to move my little guy over here. We're going to go to a student view so you can see what they see. Now we're going to go to assignments, and I didn't publish it. So as you can see, it's not going to be there. But I do want to do this one more time for you, and I know I made a video about this already, but let's do getting to know you. You read it, then you push submit assignment. If you want them to respond just with a text entry, you can, but you have to click. They have to click on that, and then they can write their response for you. And as they have written their response, they go down and they submit the assignment. Then it actually goes to used for grading. I hope this helps you create assignments, creating a rubric, and becoming better at Canvas, because it's made me better. I love you all. I hope you are doing well, and if you need any help, I'll learn so I can help you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.